To access your voicemail, press the voicemail key, or you can use your dial pad to enter 555 and press the dial soft key. Your voicemail assistant will prompt you through the options. Press 5 to record new personal greeting. The recording will start after the tone. Record your message, then press 0 to end the recording. If you want to listen to the greeting, press 4. If you are not happy with the greeting, you will first need to delete the greeting by pressing 6. You can then press 5 and follow the prompts to record the greeting again. When you are happy with your greeting, you can end the call. If you need to update your greeting in the future, you can follow the process of deleting a personal greeting and then recording a new personal greeting. If you do not record a voicemail message, your Now Reach system has a standard greeting that will play. The greeting is, "Please leave a message after the beep." Before recording a greeting, you will need to listen to any unheard voicemail messages. Please see the Access and Listening to Voicemail training segment for more information.